Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to stream anything on your computer or a webcam to YouTube using easy software called Open Broadcaster software. So, first step would be to go to obsproject.com. I provide a link in the description, or you can just Google OBS, and it should be the first thing to come up. Once you're there, you can go at OBS Studio tab and download it for either Windows, OS X, or Linux. Now, just to download the version you want in your platform, and the install is very self-explanatory. Just click Next, 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 maybe agree to a couple license agreements, and then install, and you should be done. After that, you should have this, which is OBS Studio. Next thing you're going to want to do is to go over to YouTube and sign into your account. Once you're signed in here, click on this icon and go to Creator Studio. Once you've logged in here, you need to go to the live streaming tab, and it should bring you to a menu that's not quite like this. First, it should bring you to a menu that's going to want to ask you to confirm your account. So you're going to have to text a code to your phone, and then input that code onto your computer just to prove that you're who you really are. What really matters here is we need to scroll down to encoder setup, and go to stream name/key. So here you're going to want to reveal this, and then copy it. Now, don't let anybody else have this, because once someone has this key, they can stream to your stream. So if someone who had malicious intent could get this, they could potentially stream something against community guidelines and get your channel taken down for it. So once you've copied that, you want to go to Settings, Streaming Services. You're going to select Streaming Services. You're going to select YouTube/YouTube Gaming. You can choose primary or backup. I'd go with primary for now. And you can just go in here and you can just paste your stream key in using Control V or the paste key. Once you're done, you're pretty much ready to set up streaming. So, here's your sources menu. Now, sources is what you're going to record, I guess you could say. So in this menu, you have quite a few options here. Now, these two don't really matter. I don't think we'll be using these three either. What I'm going to focus on here is display capture, Windows capture, game capture, and video capture device. So display capture is pretty self-explanatory. Right here, you're going to select the display you want to use. So I'm going to select display 0, which is just the current 21-inch monitor I'm using, and click OK. And bam, that literally just selects my entire monitor. Now, yeah, see, there you go. It's streaming my entire monitor, and that's pretty much it. The next device I want to show you is called the window capture. Window capture, let's just call this, test again. And window capture captures one window. So let's say I wanted to capture Firefox, and only Firefox. Right here, I select Firefox. You can change these, but I wouldn't, just leave those default. And bam, now we're only capturing Firefox. Now, notice how I don't actually have Firefox open. Like, here's Firefox right here. Here's the window. I don't actually have it open. It's currently minimized, yet it still records it because that's what I told it to record. So OBS is like smart like that, as in if you tell it to capture a window, it will capture that window no matter where that window is, as long as it's open. The next thing here is the game capture. So it's meant to record games, and I'll gloss over this real quick, but you can set it to do a lot of things, and you can set it to capture a certain window, certain item, whatever. Or you can make it capture any full screen device, but I really doubt you want to be doing gaming with this, so I'm just going to remove that. The next thing here is video capture device. Now, here's where you can stream your webcams into something. Here you can choose any webcam you'd like, and just click right here. Now I'm going to take this, and see, there's my hand. You can stream any webcam you want. You can configure it. So here, let me just... I'll just grab something to show you how this works. So this is just a book, The Giver. Now you can down the brightness, up the brightness, all these settings. You can mess with these how you like. Leave them default if you want the normal image that your webcam produces. I'd recommend leaving them at default. So you can configure the video, you can do all this stuff. You can set custom resolutions, all this stuff. But I just use device default, and I wouldn't mess with these too much. And just click OK. And bam, there you have a webcam. And here's what gets interesting about OBS. When you stream something, you don't just stream one thing. you can actually stream many things and make them do multiple different things. So right now I'm streaming, well, this book, obviously, but if I wanted, I could also stream my entire display. And look at that. So put a display capture, but I could also take this, put it over here, and look. Now I'm streaming my webcam and my display. And I can move my webcam capture around inside this window. I could scale down my display capture over here. And I can make it so that the webcam takes up a huge portion of the screen. And you can just see what I'm doing right up in the corner over here on my desktop. And I could do this for pretty much unlimited amounts of things. I could, add an image, all that stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you've got everything set up like you want it, you're streaming the right sources, you're streaming what you want to stream, whatever, you can just, there we go. So you've done everything. You've got all the things you want in here correctly set. You can just click OK. And it's as easy as pie. You can just click Start Streaming. It'll connect for a sec, and you're done. Start streaming. You'll get a little message that says Starting, Stream Health, ? And there we go, live. So yeah, now it's going to just start, see? It's just streaming, because I set it to stream my entire window capture wherever I'm at. But yeah, it's streaming that. You can go to, over here, you can go to my channel. And then if you want to spread that link, you can click on the main page, and it should say uploads public or whatever. And you'll just have the name of your stream, and it'll say live now. You can click on this, click copy, and now you can paste that, and anyone can watch it. And then if you want to spread that. Now, here's something that's cool. YouTube automatically saves this video. So if I go over here and stop streaming, you should be able to go to my channel, and here, I'll just go in Creator Studio. You can also look at Video Manager. And you'll have that stream that you think. And it's currently processing, but essentially, YouTube has saved that entire stream, and it'll automatically upload to your YouTube account.